Hello everyone, myself Krishma. Today in this video I am here to talk about a very beautiful topic, which is I had told you that I am going to open an English. I am going to open a new English institute. Right now I am in the institute. Now today the review video, that is I will show you the my English institute, which kind of institute this is, and I do not know what is the square feet of this area, but I think that this area is very big. This will be very beautiful for the students who want to learn English speaking by me. And I will definitely try that a student should learn this language in a 3 months only, because my English Institute course is only for 3 months. I have a confidence that I can teach the student in English speaking. The students who want to learn English speaking, they can learn English speaking by me through the 90 days only. He will not have to stay more than 90 days. He can learn English speaking within 90 days. Okay. Right now I am sitting. Then today, as I told you, this is the review video for you to. I will show you that which kind of area this is and which kind of facilities I am going to provide to the students. So okay, then now the time of show you that which kind of hall is this. As you can see, this is the that hall where one video I had uploaded. This was the shop of clothes. I removed every kind of cloth, and we decided that we have to make this area as an English institute. Then this area is too much big, and you can say this is the entry room from where the student will enter in this class. In this side there has fixed some clothes are there, and in this area there is mirror. Okay, and this is the best area for me to teach um, to the students. This is the upper, this is the first floor. You can see, check out this is not the ground floor, this is not ground floor, this is the upper floor of, this is the upper floor. Over there, if we will teach to the student, then definitely a student will not have any kind of noise. They cannot listen the noise of vehicles. Then that will be very beneficial thing for us to teach to the students. And here is the whiteboard where I will teach to the student, and in this area we will set chair and desk, bench, whatever we will want to set for the student, so that the student could sit over there. Let's see what is going to be happen. And we are going to start this batch from 1 August, I had told you. And this is a very beautiful thing for us and for the student who is going to learn English speaking, because the students are going to face lots of problems to learn English speaking. Okay, and this is the that area. You can say, check out this you can say this as a office area, which you can say it office. And this is a so much big hall, and there is lots of fan and bulb. Then at the night time also they have very good looking, and it looks so much beautiful at night and in this time also. I think that in a video you cannot understand that which kind of area this is, but if you will come to me for inquiry and for anything, if you will check it this in front, by seeing in front of you, then that will be very beneficial thing for you, and you can understand that which kind of area this is and why this is very important. Okay, and then thanks for watching this video, and that's all for today.